Johnny's first snow. Tim just shoveled the walkway. Beautiful job, babe. First big snow. Hi, boys.
You like snow?
Johnny Von Glomb, what do you think?
Covered in snow.
Are your hands freezing? We need to get you some mittens. Thanks, babe. Best husband ever. Best shoveler ever. Halloween decorations. A foot of snow. Johnny!
It's a real snowman.